Struggling to find the perfect way to stay fit at home without the discomfort of traditional bikes? Here are the 5 best recumbent bikes I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Maroc Exercise Bike. The Maroc Exercise Bike caught my eye right away with its sleek design and impressive features, priced at $265.99. If you want a smooth, low-noise cycling experience that won't disturb your family, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Maroc bike boasts a 300 pounds weight capacity and features a self-developed app that tracks your metrics like distance and calories burned in real time. The whisper-quiet magnetic resistance system runs under 25 dB, making it perfect for an apartment setting. You can pedal away while your kids are napping. Plus, with 0 to 100% adjustable resistance, it caters to all fitness levels, whether you're just starting or training for something specific. Users rave about the stability and comfort it provides, and with over 1,000 units sold in the past month, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the initial setup being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though. Once you get through that 30-minute assembly, it's smooth sailing. If you're not the most tech-savvy person, you might find it a bit frustrating, but the effort is well worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a quiet, efficient bike for indoor cycling that the whole family can use. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-compact, as it does take up some space. But for the value, this bike is a solid investment. Now, if the price point of the Maroc bike is a bit out of your reach, the next option might just fit your budget better, while still delivering great performance. Product number 2, Yasuda Exercise Bike. The Yasuda Exercise Bike, priced at $199.99, is another fantastic option that's been trusted by over 3 million families. If you're after a budget-friendly yet reliable bike, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features a 25 pounds flywheel and a heavy-duty steel frame that guarantees stability during your workouts. The bike operates on a belt-driven system, which not only offers a smoother ride, but also keeps things quiet, ensuring you won't wake your kids or disturb your neighbors. With a weight capacity of 300 pounds and adjustable cage pedals, it's designed to keep you safe and secure. Plus, the Bluetooth-enabled smart app support lets you track your ride data while enjoying some tunes on the tablet holder. Now, some reviews mention that the bike can be a bit wobbly during high-intensity workouts. Here's the thing though, as long as you're using it on a flat surface, it holds up pretty well. It might not be ideal for serious athletes looking for a hardcore bike, but for casual home workouts, it's more than sufficient. This is perfect for you if you want a sturdy bike that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for extensive online support and training courses, since it's not as robust in that area as some pricier options. Overall, it's a great value for your money. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need multi-functionality. Product number 3, Underdesk Bike Pedal Exerciser. The Underdesk Bike Pedal Exerciser, priced at $129.99, is perfect if you're short on space but still want to get in some effective exercise. If you need a convenient way to stay active while working or relaxing, this one is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This mini exercise bike is versatile enough to be used for both arm and leg workouts. You can easily place it under your desk to pedal while you work or use it on a table for arm exercises. With 16 levels of smooth magnetic resistance, it's adjustable for your fitness level and can be a great solution for physical therapy or even senior fitness. The built-in LCD monitor tracks your time, speed, and calories burned, keeping you informed of your progress. Now, some users have noted that the size might be a bit small for taller individuals. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something compact and portable, this bike is designed precisely for that. It's not meant for full-on cycling sessions, but serves its purpose well for light workouts. This is perfect for you if you're working from home and want to stay active without taking up too much space. Skip this one if you're looking for a traditional cycling experience, as it's more of a mini bike than a full stationary bike. It's a great value for someone seeking convenience and portability. Now, if you're looking for a more traditional biking experience with some added comforts, the next option has you covered. Product number 4. Relife Rebuild Your Life Exercise Bike. The Relife Rebuild Your Life Exercise Bike is priced at $129.99 and offers a fantastic entry-level option for home workouts. If you need something affordable that still delivers solid performance, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features a quiet, belt-driven system, which means you can enjoy your workout without the noise. With an adjustable seat and handlebars, it's designed to fit users from 4'8" to 5'8" comfortably. The bike supports up to 280 pounds and has a compact design, perfect for those who live in smaller spaces. Its LCD monitor keeps track of your important workout metrics, ensuring that you stay on top of your fitness goals. Now, some customers have pointed out that the bike doesn't feel as sturdy as other options. Here's the thing though, for casual use, it holds up just fine. If you're pushing your limits with intense training, this might not be the best fit, but for regular cardio sessions, it does the job well. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable bike that's easy to assemble and store. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features or heavy-duty performance. It's a solid choice for anyone starting their fitness journey. Now, if you're ready to invest a little more for enhanced features, the last product on our list might be exactly what you're looking for. Product number 5, the YPOO Exercise Bike. This YPOO exercise bike comes at a price of $169.98, and it's packed with features that cater to both beginners and seasoned cyclists alike. If you want a well-rounded bike with advanced connectivity, this is a fantastic option to consider. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has an impressive weight capacity of 330 pounds and operates with minimal noise thanks to its advanced magnetic resistance system. The bike also features an exclusive fitness app that syncs with your workouts, offering a variety of training courses and challenges, which helps keep you motivated. Its oversized seat and adjustable components make for a comfortable ride no matter your height. Now, some users have noted that it may take a bit longer to assemble due to its comprehensive features. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, the ride quality and training options make it completely worth the initial hassle. It might not be for those who want something that's completely plug and play, but if you're willing to invest a little time, it pays off. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a bike that grows with you and offers a variety of workout options. Skip this one if you want something super simple without the tech features. For value, this bike strikes a good balance between price and quality. So there you have it, the top 5 recumbent bikes for home workouts. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Merak exercise bike because of its quiet operation and user-friendly app. However, I'd recommend avoiding the Relife Rebuild Your Life exercise bike if you need something more robust for intense training. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.